What are you doing?
Covering my boots.
Why?
Because I do love to. Now that one popped out. And that one popped out. Hand, another hand, please.
Why do you need a hand?
Cause sneak out the snow. Gotta roll. Could you carry me, Daddy?
No.
Why?
Why do you want to be carried?
Hey!
What?
I need help.
Move your feet.
What?
Move your feet. There you go.
I can't do much.
Hey. Have a smile.
No. Not yet.
Ta-da!
What?
You made it.
What?
You stood up.